Dear all, let's discuss about OFS again today for sale. Right? OFS means offer of sale. There are many questions people have. What is OFS and how many days it will take to credit the share to Demat account? Right? So I believe many of you have already bought the shares through OFS, and how many days it will take to get executed and get credited into your Demat account. Right? Before we go ahead and see what is OFS, let us see what happened with the sale, why it is going up. Today, even when the market was red, sale went up almost 7% up. The reason being, OFS was oversubscribed by 4.14 times the first day of issue itself, where the non-retail investors were buying it, right? Seeing the strong response to the issue of OFS, government decided to exercise the green shoe option, offloading another 5% stake in the state-run company. Right, because of all this reason, the stock went up almost 7% today. Let us see the chart again. Here I have the charts for 2 days, right, like yesterday and today. And like we predicted yesterday, right, even when the government is offering at 64 rupees, today the cutoff price was at 65.65 rupees. The share was not falling steep. The reason being, right, it is a 2 days activity that which happens. Many of the people might not be interested in going and buying and selling in couple of days, right? And also the value of this share has potential to go up, as we saw in the news, because the share was oversubscribed by 4.14 times, right? Today we saw a massive response in the market as well, right? The share went almost up to 7% high, and then currently it settled down at 4.39%. Currently the value of the share is at 70.15 rupees, right? So what will happen to this? So like I gave the target, guys, keep the target of 80 rupees to 90 rupees in 3 to 6 months. Okay, now let us go and answer some of the questions that people had. What is OFS, and how many days it takes to credit the share to the Demat account, right? So OFS, offer for sale, is when promoters decide to sell some of their shareholding in the share market, right? There are many reasons why a promoter may want to offload the shares. One could be that it's a quick way of raising the cash to meet any need of capital. It is unlike FPO, right, follow on public offer. It is very easy, right, and it does not need a lot of paperwork. Hence, I mean, it is the quickest way of raising the cash for meeting any of the capital needs that they have. Besides, promoter who have considerable shareholding may not feel that need to hold so much of equity and offload the same to meet either personal expenses or for any new ventures. Like if I have too much of holding, I might also choose to offload some of it for my own personal expenses, right? Let us quickly go to the features of OFS, right? So where most of the questions that people have will get answered. Promoters who hold more than 10% of the share in the company can come out with an OFS. Only people who have more than 10% of the shares can come out with an option of OFS. The seller will have to announce the sale at least one trading day earlier, and it will be open for 2 trading days, right? Like what happened in our sale case, right? Steel Authority of India's case. The seller will have to announce the sale at least one day earlier, one trading day earlier, right? And it will be open for 2 trading days. There is no minimum amount for the bid. You can bid as little as one can share. Like maybe you can bid for 1 share, 2 share, or like 100 share, whatever it is, but there is an upper limit. I will come to the upper limit point. The company fixes a floor price for OFS below which buyers cannot place a bid, right? So company fixes. Today in sales case it was 65.65 rupees was the cutoff price. Below that you cannot bid, right? There will be a separate window for the sale of shares through OFS. Only retail traders will be allowed to place bid for on the first trading day. The total bid value of a retail investor should be less than rupees 2 lakhs. If this is exceeded, the bid is liable to be rejected, right? The most important point, the shares will be shown in your Demat account in usual trading day plus 2 days or T plus 2 days. Like if you have placed an order for a OFS today, you will get it today plus 2 days or today plus 1 day. Like basically it happens in 1 or 2 days after the trading session, right? The size of offer should be minimum of rupees 25 crores. I mean, whatever the OFS that the company places should be minimum of 25 crores. Only top 200 companies by market capitalization come out with an OFS. Only top 200 companies with by market capitalization can only come with the OFS. According to SEBI guidelines, 1/4 of shares in OFS should be reserved for insurance companies and asset management companies. Right? Every bid or order should be backed by 100% margin. A minimum of 10% of offer is reserved for retail investors. It could go up to 20% in case of public sector companies. Retail investors get a discount on price of the shares purchased through OFS, which could be around 5%. In case of sale also, you must have seen what they kept is around 64 rupees or 65 rupees, and the share was trading when they did it was around 70 to 73 rupees, right? So that is around 5 to 6% buffer is what it has. Apart from retail investors, institutional buyers like insurance companies, mutual funds, foreign portfolio investors, trusts, HUFs and NRIs can invest through OFS route. Right, so this is pretty much about OFS, guys. Right, coming back to the sale, continue to hold the sale for the target that I have mentioned. Keep the target of 80 rupees to 90 rupees in 3 to 6 months. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our video and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.